Chevrolet is about to put the 2027 Trax through a meaningful refresh, and for anyone shopping in this segment right now, that's a detail worth knowing before you sign anything. If you're tired of paying more and getting less in a small SUV, this update is going after that problem directly. The 2027 Trax is shaping up to raise the bar in a class that rarely surprises anyone, and here are 6 reasons why waiting for it is the smarter move. Number 6. Refreshed styling. The Trax has always been one of the sharper-looking small SUVs on the market. That's not up for debate, but the 2027 refresh is taking its exterior in a noticeably bolder direction, one that brings it closer in line with the wider Chevrolet family. Up front, the revised Trax is moving away from the vertically arranged lighting signature of the current model. In its place, a more horizontal layout is coming, with new LED daytime running lights that draw a clear visual connection to the larger Equinox. The headlights themselves have been repositioned higher on the fascia, taking on a 2-lamp side-by-side configuration that gives the nose a wider, more planted look. New grille mesh is visible beneath the camouflage too, something that echoes the design direction of the updated Blazer. At the rear, the changes are equally substantial. A wider tail lamp setup is on the way, with 2 distinct light strips extending well into the hatch. That's a meaningful departure from the current taillights, which many felt looked too narrow when viewed head-on. A revised bumper shape rounds out the rear update, and new wheel designs are expected across the lineup as well. For buyers who want a small SUV that doesn't look like one, the 2027 Trax is going to read very differently on the road. Number 5. New tech features. The current Trax already punches above its price point on the technology front. The 2027 model is going further. Spy shots of the refreshed prototype have revealed something significant inside. The hooded digital gauge cluster of the current model is going away. In its place, a flat, unhooded screen is coming, combined into one housing with the central infotainment display and angled noticeably toward the driver. Most people don't notice how much a poorly positioned screen affects their day until they've lived with a better one. Glancing down at a recessed hooded cluster versus reading a clean, open display at a natural sightline are genuinely different experiences over thousands of commuting miles. That shift, cleaner, closer, more readable, is exactly what the 2027 Trax is bringing to a price point where it rarely shows up. The current Trax already offers an 11-inch infotainment touchscreen on upper trims paired with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Standard driver assistance technology, including automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist, comes on every trim. The refresh builds on that foundation rather than starting from scratch, which means the features people already value are staying put, while the screen experience is getting a genuine upgrade. Number 4. Efficient powertrain. Here's what isn't changing for 2027, and in this case, that's actually a reason to wait. The Trax is keeping its 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, producing 137 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Many competing small SUVs rely on continuously variable transmissions, CVTs. They're efficient on paper, but they drone under acceleration and turn what should be an effortless daily experience into something that feels strained every time you need to merge or climb a grade. The Trax's 6-speed automatic avoids all of that. It shifts cleanly, responds predictably, and simply gets out of the way, which is exactly what a transmission in this class should do. Fuel economy sits at 28 miles per gallon city and 32 on the highway, with a combined rating of 30 miles per gallon. For the kind of driving most Trax owners are doing, school runs, grocery trips, regular commutes, those numbers translate to noticeably fewer stops at the pump compared to rivals running thirstier powertrains. The engine also carries a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, which matters when you're buying at this price point and want peace of mind past the first few years of ownership. By keeping a proven, well-understood powertrain rather than switching to something untested, Chevrolet is doing buyers a quiet but important favor. Number 3. Generous cargo space. One of the most underrated qualities of the current Trax is how much usable space it offers for a vehicle of its size, and the 2027 model is carrying that forward. The cargo area measures 25.6 cubic feet with the rear seats in place. That's more room than nearly every direct rival in the subcompact class. Fold the second row flat and total capacity climbs to 54 cubic feet. That's a number that puts many larger compact SUVs to shame. Anyone who has tried to load a stroller, a week's worth of groceries, and a set of sports equipment into a small SUV knows exactly how quickly cargo space becomes the deciding factor. It's not a spec you think about during a test drive, but it's the one you live with every single day. The Trax's wide, deep cargo area handles that kind of regular real-world loading without forcing compromises, and the rear opening is shaped to make access straightforward rather than awkward. That space advantage traces back to a deliberate decision Chevrolet made with the redesigned Trax, a longer wheelbase than the previous generation. Rear passenger legroom benefits from the same extension. Adult passengers in the second row are genuinely comfortable, not squeezed. For anyone who has ruled out small SUVs on the assumption that they're simply too cramped, the 2027 Trax is worth a closer look. Number 2. Well-built cabin. The expectation heading into a sub-$25,000 SUV is usually the same: hard plastics, thin materials, and an interior that reminds you at every turn what it cost. The Trax doesn't follow that pattern. Its cabin has consistently drawn attention from reviewers and owners alike for exceeding what its price tag suggests. The layout is clean and driver-focused. Climate controls are positioned clearly, and the infotainment screen sits at a natural sightline without demanding that drivers reach or strain. Upper trims bring genuinely useful features: heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, remote start, and a sunroof, without pricing the vehicle out of its segment. Here's something worth thinking about. A lot of people spend more time inside their car than they do in their living room. A rough, plasticky interior that looks dated after 2 years isn't just an aesthetic issue. It's something you notice twice a day, every day, for as long as you own the vehicle. The Trax's cabin holds up better than the price implies. Soft seat padding, a composed feel, and enough design detail in the harder surfaces to prevent them from reading as cheap. Owner feedback on this point has been consistently positive across multiple model years. The 2027 refresh is bringing updated screen hardware to that already solid foundation. A modernized display inside a well-assembled, practical cabin at a starting price that remains below the segment average is a combination that's genuinely difficult to match anywhere else in this class. Number 1. Good road manners. At its core, this is a daily driver, and a daily driver has one job above everything else. It has to be pleasant to spend time in. The 2027 Trax is delivering on that in a way that's worth spelling out clearly. The suspension is tuned to absorb road imperfections without feeling disconnected, a balance that's harder to achieve than it sounds. Potholes, expansion joints, and rough pavement register but don't intrude. The ride has a composed, settled quality that makes longer stints behind the wheel genuinely comfortable rather than something to endure. Think about what that actually means for someone driving 30 or 40 minutes each way, 5 days a week. A suspension that transmits every crack in the road turns an ordinary commute into something exhausting. A well-tuned ride turns the same drive into something that simply disappears. That's the difference the Trax is making here, and it's one of the few vehicles at this price point where the chassis tuning clearly received serious attention. What makes it more interesting is that this comfort comes alongside handling that's more agile than the class average. The steering is predictable and responsive, body control in corners is tighter than expected, and the brake pedal has a firm, reassuring feel underfoot. A 0.84G skid pad result confirms what drivers notice in real use. The Trax grips and turns with more confidence than its size and price suggest. That balance, comfortable enough for daily use, agile enough to stay engaging, is what separates a well-engineered small SUV from one that simply checks boxes. And in a segment where most vehicles choose one quality at the expense of the other, the 2027 Trax is making fewer compromises than almost anything else at this price. The 2027 Chevrolet Trax is arriving with a sharper exterior, a modernized cabin, a proven powertrain, and the kind of ride quality that makes a strong case for itself every single day. It's carrying forward the cargo space advantage, the well-assembled interior, and the value per dollar proposition that made the current generation a class leader while addressing the areas where buyers wanted more. At a price point where most small SUVs ask you to settle, the 2027 Trax is making a different argument entirely, and it's one worth waiting to hear in full. But there are a couple of competitors that are at least as good as the Trax. The 2027 Mazda CX-30 is definitely one of them, so make sure to check it out in our next video. From premium-grade interior to the powerful optional Turbo 4, Mazda is obliterating its rivals in so many different ways.